The 5 pillars of sound business is what we consider to be the best way to operate a company. First, you have sales and marketing. Second, you have production and delivery. Third, you have human resources. Fourth, you have ownership and management. And fifth, you have financial controls. All of these systems work together to form a company, a business. And what we do is we design our programs to address each and every single pillar of sound business to make sure that we fill all the gaps for risk in your company and that you are completely protected.